how to add buy two get one discount on Shopify. To show you this, I've opened my startup page here, and I'm just going to go to the left hand side and click on discounts. As you can see, we don't have any discounts yet, so I'm just going to create a new one. And I want to choose buy X get Y. Okay, once we're in this discount page, we can start creating our discount. First thing you're going to see is this space here where you can type in your discount code. Something like discount. And here on the left, you can see how it will all look in the end. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down here. And now I can type in, under quantity, I can type in 2, and I can choose a specific product. In this case, I will choose this. And down here we can choose what the customer gets when he buys 2 of these. I'm just going to type in 1. And now I can choose the specific product I want them to receive. This could be the same product or something else, like this keychain, for example. Just going to add this. And when we scroll down, we can choose whether we want to give them a percentage or if we're going to give it for free. In this case, we're going to choose free. Okay, you can also set a maximum number of uses per order. And when you scroll down even further, you can choose other things like customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, combinations for discounts, and you can choose the active dates in which this discount will be available. After you're done, you just click on Save Discount and it will save the changes for you. And that's how you add buy two get one discount on Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.